知啦，你教嘅。
我哋搞多次啊，你講多次嗰啲 discriminant 嗰啲嘢啊。OK。Started 好啦，OK，發眼瞓先啦，你哋就咁睇下先啦。ax square plus bx plus c 咧等於0，呢個係一個general form of quadratic equation, right? Okay, of course, okay. Then when you take out the a, right, x squared here, and then you're gonna put b over a plus c equal to 0.
Why b over a?
You take out the A already, right?
Yeah, you multiply back, you get back this, right?
Huh?
You multiply back, you get back this.
Oh yeah.
Can see?
Can.
Okay, after that, right, you're going to introduce a term inside. What do you introduce? Okay, I anyhow introduce a term called b over 2a whole thing square. Now, I anyhow introduce a term, I'm going to subtract back. Okay, so for your understanding, I do it slowly.
一定要 square 㗎。
係啊，我揀嚟嘅。
淨係一個 b 都得㗎，係咪？
唔得。
嚇？
嗱，得唔得？咁樣I add it and I subtract back. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I come out with the middle term, subtract back the term. And this actually
What
what
I'm
I'm doing here is a completion of square. Yep. Why I'm doing this? So I will kick out this term out of the bracket. So I have this. Subtract away. Now I open the bracket. B square 4a squared, right?
Yeah.
4a squared times back a, I got 1a cancel. Okay, so b square 4a.
哈。
哇，你睇我數傾落嚟。b square 4a square
2a square is 4
and times a. So instead of 4a square, right, cancel the a, so you left 4a here.
4a square times a is 4a 咩？
4a square is below what? A is above, right?
Oh.
4a square is denominator, right? A is numerator. When you times them, you get cancelled, right?
Oh.
You get this, right? Get a bit faster.
Okay.
So this, right? Now what's the point of this? This is in the form of a square plus. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Oh, cool. You can see the surprising. Okay. So when you do the
到時候整出嚟就係 x equals to 嗰個 root 嘅嗰個嘢係咪？
correct.
咁你唔使做咁多啦。
Wait.
啊嗱。
Why are you so lazy? Huh?
講笑你啲就講咩啦嘛
Is it?
？Yes.
Is that the way to
If
do
they
it?
ask you to derive the formula, then you don't know how to derive.
One case lor, and you don't know where is it come from, and you don't know what's the trick behind, and you don't know each function.
Must derive 翻咩？
Yeah.
Or need not to be lor. Okay, when the things come out, you just don't know lor, right? Because you think you've learned enough. Anytime you think you've learned enough, that's it for you.
Copy down.
No need. It's in your textbook.
It's in the textbook.
Yeah, always in textbook. Every formula they come to tell you, they got to tell you how come you got this formula. And
how come you got pi?
And tell you if you learn it that way, right, you better don't do A level. Okay, because in A level, everything that you need to know the rationales behind.
Rationale.
You know how to derive or not?
Yeah.
Something's wrong. Okay. So
x equals to minus b 2a plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
this is how come the x is in this formula. Okay. And secondly, how do you know
How come the
what? So what is the limitation in this formula? The limitation is this square root. And what is the limitation about square root and the plus minus? Okay.
咁我要攞睇係 minus R 嘅 plus R。
First things if the things inside has a value, you have minus b plus minus square root of discriminant over 2a. This is x. Okay.
咁樣先。
This is the formula. And we normally call the b square minus 4ac discriminant. Okay, so normally put a delta to represent discriminant. Okay? And you gotta understand these simple things, okay? But you don't botch up about it, okay? The idea is about this and this. Case 1, if your triangle have a positive value, then square root of triangle has a positive value. Okay? Therefore, minus b plus minus triangle has 2 values. Make sense? You plus something, you minus something, you have 2 different values. Right? Okay, I need your understanding, okay? Secondly is that if triangle is equal to 0, then the square root of triangle is 0.
Okay.
Therefore, the minus b plus minus root triangle is equal to minus b only.
Okay.
So since you don't have plus and minus, you don't have 2 values, you only have 1 value. Got it?
Yes.
Third thing is that if the triangle is less than 0, the square root of triangle has no value.
Undefined.
Has no real value, yeah. So it says that x has no real root.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So this is why when you do quadratic equations, when the time you see the number is big, okay, the number is big, right? First check whether the discriminant is greater than 0 or not. If it is less than 0, stop doing, just tell them no solution. Okay?
Wait.
唔使啦，你抄啦 textbook 話。
Wait.
This is about understanding, eh? Once you understand, there's a such piece of information, knowledge, that is good enough.
Wait.
If the question asks you to derive, then it's very, very simple already.
Oh, if your question asks you to derive, right, all you need to do is do something called completion of square. Completion of square, or completing the square. Okay? Completing the square is in another chapter, okay? You will learn from there.
有得 root 等於 0 嘅咩？哦 0 的 root 當然是 0咯。
嘥氣。good。好嘥時間嘅。
我都未抄完。
抄咩啫？喺 video 裏面要睇一睇，OK？
係啊。
唔使睇嗰就唔好睇。
上次嗰個你仲未放咁樣。
Understand？我 read 緊，仲喺度講。
好慢到我睇，要等。
哦，咁咪睇下你個 connection 點啦。
睇你個 com 點啦。
定係你想直接抄啊？你要直接抄，你咪攞 hard disk 抄俾你，好冇？係嘛？
下次攞個 hard disk。
咁你借我 hard disk 翻去1-2日抄啦，因為有成好多個 video。由我帶個 laptop 過嚟抄啦，我帶個 laptop 過嚟抄啦。
Go！
好，咁咪做咩？邊做咩？
我唔知，你係老師。
你唔知啊？
當然唔知啊！如果我知道你都。